My brothers, thank you guys for coming out. I really appreciate it. This business meeting is for everybody. I let the ladies know that that were here as well. I let them know about the investment meeting. All our business meetings, everything that I'm gonna be doing from here on out, from the new year, is made for everybody. We're not taking anybody out. We're not ruling anybody out. Everybody is here to learn. Everybody here is to grow. Everybody here is to understand and build as one. Once again, after this, we'll be having weekly meetings every Wednesday until certain things run out or until we build up even more ideas. But I got a couple more meetings, like about 4 or 5 more after this. So we always have something to talk about. We'll always have something to show that we can build upon. Any ideas that you guys send my way, you send it my way. I'll put out in the group chat and I'll let it be known that, hey, this is your idea. It's not my idea. I just come here to help you facilitate it, social engineer it, so that you guys can make your dreams a reality, make your dreams become realities. Obviously, as you guys see, my 2 guest speakers, one is an older gentleman and one is a younger gentleman. So I want everybody to get 2 different perspectives, and they really do have 2 different perspectives on how to make money. So as you listen to them,
now I want to get started, okay? Because it happened to me. I went to bed last week 40. I woke up 60. You didn't hear me though. So I don't have no time to be waiting 20 years for an investment. I need some money now. I gotta get this money now. All right, when crypto came along, I didn't know nothing about crypto in the United States. I learned that here. All right, I went to some Big Connect conference that they had at the PATTAYA thing in 2007, where the guy said, Big Connect, I was there. All right, I had to learn the hard way. I'm trying to keep y'all from doing the same thing, okay? Now, I'm with Binance. Binance.com, not Binance America, because if you're in Binance America, you cannot get any station money. All right, because the SEC don't want Binance America to do what Binance.com is doing. So, who owns crypto here?
Oh.
How did you get on crypto? Through Coinbase?
Yeah, Coinbase, what else?
Coinbase America? Huh? PayPal, okay.
Crypto.com.
Crypto.com. Now, if you notice with Coinbase, their customer service ain't shit. If something go wrong, you be waiting for days to get your money back. Binance, instant. Because if Binance go down, crypto goes down. Binance is bigger than Coinbase, Google, BitNance, all of it combined. Binance is the biggest one. I started them day 1. All right, now how many of you guys got a Binance app? How many of you guys on Binance? That's Binance America, huh? No. Just Binance.com? Now, if you look on your app, they took out some, wait a minute, hold on. I'm talking to you. Does anybody want to own Bitcoin? Or anybody want to own cryptocurrency? Raise your hand.
Does anybody want to?
Yeah, want to. How do want to? Now, do you know how to get on the on-ramp here in Thailand?
No, that's a great question.
Okay. Go to Coins. It's right. I don't see the pins. Gentlemen, we're doing this now. This is not something you're supposed to do tomorrow. It's not about time in the market. It's about time in the market. So let's do this now. All right, we're running out of time. I put on that website, on that thing, back when Bitcoin was $16,000, and this was a week ago. And I said, everybody, y'all buy the crypto. You could have made $5,000 in 1 week. Did nobody do it? So look, let's do this now. Don't be talking, oh, I'm going to go home and do this. Oh, I'm going to go home. You got your cell phones, right? Go to CoinTH, Coin2O. This is your own ramp.
Say that again.
CoinTH.
Coins.co.th. Now don't get it confused. Don't get it confused with coins.ph. That's for the Philippines. All right. These are only ones that's being supported on your on and off ramp for people like us.
All right,
with
coins.
that American.
Can you say that one more time, please?
Coins. .co.
TH.
Go right there. Gonna tell you to get started. Now, each one of these exchanges, since it's an on and off ramp, you have to KYC. KYC means know your customer. So they're gonna ask you a series of questions. They're gonna make you put your passport on the line. They're gonna access your risk assessment. Once you get that, you can take your cash and buy crypto. All right, this is getting you on. This is how you do it here in Thailand. All right, you get your cash. I'm not going to go through the things they're going to tell you to do. I mean, that's the bottom line. They tell you hook up your bank account. If you don't have a bank account, you go to the ATM. They'll give you a number. You can go put the numbers in. You can buy your crypto. You can hold your crypto. Right? Once you get the coins, because Coins TH only allows you to buy Bitcoin. It don't allow you to buy the other cryptos. It don't allow you to buy the stable coins. It don't allow you to do nothing. This is just the on and off ramp from your cash, from your bot to crypto. Then once you get your Bitcoin, you transfer it over to a Binance account. And in that Binance account, you can buy crypto that's going to pay you every day. Not no 6-month dividends, not no 3 months dividends, no. They're going to pay you every day for the coins that you stake. You can pull that out, you can put it in a stable coin, you can live off that each day. All right, you got a Thai driver's license. All right, you get a Thai driver's license. That's why I had to ask the series of questions. This is mainly for people that's going to stay here. If you don't stay here, you're going to need a Thai driver's license. All right? And if that's, now that could be an option. What you want to deal with, you cannot stay on Binance USD. You cannot get paid every day. All right? So this is one obstacle that I can't help you with. I've been here since 2008. I had to learn. All right? So this is generally directed for the people that's here. You get your coin, man, they pay you every day. If you open up that Binance account, you go to more earnings. You will see coins that they've given you 115% on your money just by staking. And then they pay you out every day. It's amazing. And they max you out. They'll max you out. So I had to open up one in my wife's account. I said, let me open up another one because they done maxed me out on this. So let me open up another one. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how simple. And look, no laptop. You ain't got time to be carrying a laptop when your coin went down and you got to stabilize that and go to BSUD, you know what I'm saying, some other coin. You got to do this on your phone. Now you see, now I don't know if I can show each of you guys, but if y'all pull up the Binance account, they got this thing called Simple Earnings. They had to take it off the state because they was going through all this SEC shit. But this is Binance.com. This is around the world. We ain't talking about the United States. All right? See this? Look at that. See the percentages? Look at that. Look at that. That's APY. You know what I'm saying? Look at them percentages. Think I'm joking? Huh? And they pay you out every day. Every day.
Quick question, they pay you out in Bitcoin?
No, they pay you out in the coin that you bought. And you can easily transfer that over to a stable coin to get your money. Stable coin is USD, USD. You can trade it out. See that? This coin right now that's paying you 115 APY per year, but you get your annual cut every day. It comes out on your spot wallet. This is what I'm giving you today on this, your coin. All right, now that's a caveat to that. Your coin could go down. All right, trust me, your coin can go down. So what I usually do, when they spit mine out, it's immediately transferred to a stable coin. So I can have a dry powder, just in case something happens. But look, me and my wife used to travel a lot. And when we first started buying gold, we used to have a gold ball. We used to first buy those. Then we had so many because we were renting. And I couldn't leave my valuables in somebody's house that got my key. You know what I'm saying? So I had to figure out another way to transfer my wealth when I leave, when I go someplace like Greece. I don't want to be having to have all this stuff because I can't leave it back at the house. So another thing is, get rid of your overhead. If you might get rid of it. Forget the ROI. You're not gonna, if you're 60, you ain't gonna get no return on your shit. You just don't want to have no overhead. You don't want to be paying rent. You don't want to be on nobody. You want to be able to collect your shit, your liquor, your house, your TV, your shit, and lock it up, and you can stay gone for 3 months. Because you're living off of this. And anytime you want to take a trip, you find a coin that's going to pay you the money that's going to allow you to take that trip. And I'm talking about right now, gentlemen, if you guys wish to invest right now, you can get that money. I told you I went to sleep. I was with family. I said, damn, I could have been a doctor. The fuck? I went to sleep at 40 and woke up at 60. Because I didn't think. I wasted my damn time. You don't have time to waste. What you got to lose? What you got to lose? She's scared of it. It's going to go out tomorrow. Man, BlackRock, they're already invested. They buying up crypto while you people ain't even looking. The cash ain't going to be worth shit. Why you think, I'm sorry for cussing, guys, but this is so serious. Why do you think they got gold shops everywhere here? Because when what's that guy, Soros, when he broke this place and that currency went up, the Thai people backed their money up in gold. You feel me? You got a gold shop everywhere. You ain't got that in America. You got to go to a pawn shop to get cheap. You feel me? Gold to them is like cash to you. And stop looking at the Thai baht like it's monopoly money. All right? We have a tendency to do that. When we look at that Thai baht like it's monopoly money, we don't see it like it's, it's real currency. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't see nobody getting their coins account. What the hell? You can do this now. But y'all can be doing this now. Don't take notes, do it. What's the problem? No. I mean, to get on, you can. To get on with coin, get on with coin CH.
To do your wallet, right?
Yeah, to get the initial, to get on initially, to buy your Bitcoin. All right? But if you go on to BINANCE, don't use that American password. No. And if y'all guys is using VPNs, all right, because I got messed up like that. I used a VPN because I wanted some different shit on Netflix, right? And then I forgot to take it off when I went and opened up my BINANCE account and it froze. Because they thought I was coming out of America. So, remember,
time on that. Like, if you go use none of our American stuff, when you making money, who gonna tax the money? Thai government? What this BINANCE? What's the?
All right, your money is taxed when you make money here.
Tax our Thai government.
Yeah, if your money is coming out of BINANCE, BINANCE don't have no office.
That's why governments, they don't like it.
Yeah, they don't like it. They don't have no office.
That's kind of false. You can't tax.
Yeah, so I'll tell you, say if you have a boxing match, you knock this guy out, you make 50,000. You tax on that because you made it here.
Yeah.
All right. So anytime, see, the whole point of retirement means here you don't work. That's the whole thing of it. You ain't working. You can't work. It's impossible for them to even try to make you even look like you work. So your investments is not being taxed. And if you got a problem with the United States, get you a Thai girl, get you a Filipino girl. They're not taxed outside their country. I'm serious, man. And you can't, and look, until they pay us some reparations, man, fuck them that. Look at it. I didn't want to say that. Don't record that. You're going to stay here starting. All right, and the first thing to do for people that's not already established, thinking about it, man, get you some driver's license.
Yeah, I gotta get that.
Get you some motorbike ID driver's license. That shit'll go a long way when you're trying to get identified. Or even when you want free stuff. You ain't got to pay like the people that walking around with the bear. No, that's the Thai ID. Oh, we can get in for the Thai price. You know, I'm saying, look, this is how you make money now. Because I don't have 20 years. I'm not trying to wait 20 years to get, you know, oh man, I'm gonna get some extra income. And then you deal with the stocks, right? And you gotta deal with taxes on the stock when you deal with the S&P and all that. Man. All right, because I deal with liquidity. All right? Liquidity is when I can get my money within 24 hours. I don't care what stock I'm in. I can get my shit in 24 hours. I don't have to wait to sell a condo. I don't have to wait to rent out a house. I don't have to wait for a monthly check. No. Right now, because I ain't got no time. I'm counting down. When you start counting down, you say, damn, I only got 20 more left. 20 more Christmases? Shit. What happened? You dig what I'm saying? So now I'm all about getting it down. And be diversified, gentlemen. All right? Diversification means get some insurance. Because if you don't have no insurance, you plan on living out here, ingrown toenails, send your ass back to the United States. Okay? That's some real talk. All right? And you can get some real cheap medical insurance.
Well, when we create our wallet, can we use our wallet for the US number? Huh? I went on the coins.co.ca, you know, create my first wallet. Can I use US number?
No.
No.
It's
No,
time.
nothing, man. Yeah, El Salvador. As far as the world is concerned. Hey, man. Because you got to remember, there's a lot of countries out here, man. These people don't even have pistols. All right? And if you the night motherfucker get stabbed, then you supposed to die. You stabbed him. You stabbed him. Oh. So, look here. What I'm trying to say is, man, time is something that you cannot pay for, and we waste it. When the last time you said, man, I'm gonna do it tomorrow? And see, y'all forgot about that. Y'all forgot about the fairy tale about Rip Van Winkle. He went to sleep and woke up. What, y'all gonna wait till you're 60? What the fuck?
What you were saying about that gold, like why it's a bad investment?
I didn't say gold was a bad investment. I said gold was even the Thai baht, because when George Soros came over here, he did what he did to the currency.
Oh, you said you were storing it.
Yeah, you got it. You can store it because look, you become your own bank. All right, you get you enough gold. Right? So when the gold prices go up or go down or whatever, you got gold in your own possession to buy any other asset that you want. And it's not going to lose its value like a currency will. All right? That's your vault. Your gold is your vault. All right? Now, if you're going to stay here, buy bars. If you're planning on travel, then put some jewelry on your damn neck. Because that's the only way you're going to get it out of here. If they catch you running around with some gold bars in your pocket, believe me, they're going to seize them. You hear me? So the best thing to move your currency would be Bitcoin. Highly acceptable. You get you a nice Bitcoin, man, come on, man. Now when you get that money, and you say, well, damn, Bitcoin done went up, I'm rich, shit. That's when you talk to my man here. Because he's going to take you to the investments as far as business. I'm just trying to show you how to get your money now to get to him. All right?
Hey, babe.
I'm old. All right, you guys. So, hey.